Chindawara, India. India police have arrested the owners of Russian pharmaceutical manufacturer, the cough syrup company linked to the deaths of at least 19 children. In the central state of Madhya Pradesh, a senior police officer told Reuters on Thursday. The children, all under 5 years of age, died in the past month in the state of Chindwara city after consuming cough medicine containing toxic diethyl glycol in quantities nearly 500 times the permissible limit. The deaths were all linked to Russian pharma cold drip syrup, which has been banned in several parts of India after a test confirmed the presence of chemical last Thursday. S. Ranganathan, owner of the Tamil Nadu state-based company that manufactured the syrup, was arrested on Wednesday. He will appear in court before being moved to Chindwara. Chindwara Superintendent of Police Ajay Pandey told, "We have got 30 to 40 bottles. We recall some from retailers and stockists," District Administrator Harinder Narayan said, adding that 594 bottles of syrup were sold to pharmaceutical stockists in the region over the last 6 weeks. So, it's a request to everyone, before giving any cough syrup to your children, please look at it, examine it, then give it. Safety of your child is your own hands.